Hello guys, in this video I'll show you website TokenRouter.com. So where they're offering free API access to a Chinese-based model Qwen 3.8 Max, which is recently released. It's a very powerful AI model, and once you open this website TokenRouter.com, they will show you this free trial plus up to 60% off. And we also have DeepSeek version 4 Pro, we have Qwen 3.8 Max, Kimi K3. All these models are completely free. So what you need to do, click on sign up. So you have the option to sign up using your Google account. So just sign up, it takes just 2 minutes to sign up. So I will show you how to get a free API key and test it out. So simply select your Google account, and after that, once you are authenticated, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So click on continue. So now you will see that it redirects me to the dashboard area. So just close this. So right here, you will see that go to the model section right here, and I exactly tell you that Qwen 3.8 model, as you see, input output cost is totally free. So they are offering free API access to this model. So this is very much limited because when any new model is released, they offer free API access. So don't waste any time. Just open this website, create an account, and then simply consume this model. So click on API keys and just click it, new API key, give it a name, and your key will be created. So simply copy this key. The base URL, as you can see, it is this base URL. And now we can test out this API. For testing out this API, you can actually install the extension. So I think this is a very good extension for testing APIs in VS Code, Kilo Code, AI Coding Agent, Copilot, and Autocomplete. So click on install. This will install this extension directly. And then using this extension, we will call the API, fill out the information, base URL, API key, everything. So once it get installed, so just wait, it is installing it. So you can see that it's got almost 1 million installs. So it works with all the API endpoints, kilocode. So I personally use it. Click on install. So you also have other options as well. So you can see now it is successfully installed. It will appear in the sidebar section. So activate this, and so now it will initialize it. As you can see, you need to go to the settings option where we will configure all these settings. So first of all, we need the base URL. So I copy the base URL. So right here you set to providers. Click on connect custom provider. So basically we can simply say token router and OpenAI compatible, simply select and then paste the base URL, and then you will paste the API key. You pasted the API key. So this will list out all the model IDs. So for the model ID, you go to the models and simply paste this model ID, which is Qwen/Qwen 3.8 Max. So I paste the model ID. I simply say Qwen 3.8. You click on submit. So they also have documentation as well. As you can see, we are inside the free plan. We don't have any kind of credit. So you simply create a free API key and then configure all these values. So now as you can see, it is successfully added custom provider. And from here you select our model, which is token provider. As you see, we selected this. Qwen 3.8. Yeah, so we select this. So by default, right here we select this Qwen 3.8. You can select this and simply send out a request hi. So we selected this token router slash 3.8 max. So we simply send out a request. So as you can see, it is responding to us. Hi, what would you like to work on? So in this easy way, guys, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And let me just delete all these files from here and start from fresh. I simply tell create a image to PDF web app in browser and create a index.html file. So I basically sent out a prompt here. I want a image to PDF web app. So you will see that now it is actually detecting that no file is present. It clearly generated a description, so it will create a file for us. So all these things it is doing, it is now writing that file index.html. So once it completes, you will get a notification. So in this easy way, guys, this token router website is providing a free Qwen 3.8 max API. I showed you step by step. Simply create API key and you can use through Kilo router. And as you see, it created a file here. It created this file one fix needed just. So you can see that it created all this code right here. 283 lines of code was generated. So you can open your application. This is your image to PDF. So you can even ask follow-up questions as well. So I'm not happy with UI. Please have an advanced professional UI with all options. So you can also ask follow-up questions as well. If you are not happy with this, you can ask follow-up questions. So now it will construct an advanced UI with all the options. So you can just check out the speed, guys. Qwen 3.8 Max model is really fast. It's really powerful. It is really the latest model in the series of Alibaba Cloud that they have released it. So you can just check out the speed right here of responses. So at this moment of time, TokenRouter is offering this API for completely free. So go to the website, create a API key. The input output cost is 00. So they are offering it for free. So this offer is will be expiring soon. So don't waste any time. If you want a free access, you can connect it through Kilo code. Simply follow the steps that I showed it in the video. So you can see that it's generating the response very quickly. It's a very fast model and you can definitely use it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I will be seeing you in the next one.